How to identify the end of a trend correctly. So this video will basically talk about how to help you identify when the trend is changed, either when you're going long or you're going short. Then you need to be able to identify when to get out of the position, and I'm going to help you do that. Now, before I go into this, I want to tell you about a price action trading course that I offer. The and you can attend my free webinar to understand what I offer in terms of intraday and swing trading, access to a mobile app, weekly doubt clearing sessions, and this is for a lifetime, unlike other courses. So if you join me, you join a collection of traders where you can collaborate, where I will be there to help you on your trading journey for a lifetime. Now let's get back to Tata Motors. We are on Tata Motors on the daily time frame, and let's zoom in on the chart. Now, if you see here, price has been consolidating for a bit here. Price has broken out of this accumulation, and the price is making higher highs, higher lows. Again, you have a higher high, higher high, higher low. You have again a higher high, higher low. You and price continues to do that until it gets into a place where it's again consolidating, and we really don't know whether it's accumulating or distributing till it finally breaks out. So the price has been consolidating here for a while, and if you entered somewhere here, and you maintain your original stop loss, or you trailed it, what you would have seen basically is that from a structure of higher high, higher lows, basically you have a bullish break of structure all this way, all the way up, and then you have consolidation, and then price finally you see a change of character here where the price has broken the previous swing low. If you see here, this is a change of character. It's a bearish change of character because if you see here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but now you have a lower high and a lower low here again, right? So there is break of structure here, and this break of structure basically means that the price is no longer able to push upwards. The bulls are all sold out, and the sellers have overpowered them. The bears have overpowered them, and you see a bearish change of character because the character has changed now. The structure has changed now. Price is no longer able to push higher and higher, making new higher highs, higher lows. And now, because of this change of character, you will have to get out of the position even if you maintain your original stop loss. Because if you don't, then you will lose a large amount of your capital. If you weren't trailing and you kept it at your original place or somewhere here because you wanted to take a long-term position, you still have to get out because not only has the price broken down below all the moving averages, below the EMA 200, which is a long-term moving average, but there's a clear change of character and price is unlikely to go up, at least in the short term. And you can't keep taking these losses, so you would get out here. So let's go to Zydus Life Sciences and let us look here. If you look at Zydus Life Sciences on the daily time frame, right? So if we come here and if you see price was consolidating here for a bit, price has broken out and it was, for example, if you entered somewhere on the high over here and placed a stop loss here or somewhere below here, price has gone up. You see a higher high, higher low, break of structure again. You have boss again here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then you have a change of character here, but only for a little while because you have a retracement that has broken the previous swing low, but then price manages to go up again, and then you have a liquidity. You have uh, a buy side liquidity grab here and a sell side liquidity grab here, and price is going up. So again here you have a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and boss is you have bullish break of structure all the way till you come to basically an evening star where the bulls are already taken out. And if you see here, these wicks, there's a lot of selling pressure here, and then you have an evening star here, and buyers try to fight back, but then you have a nice bearish Marubozu, and then you have a you initially have a a, a a break of structure here, and then followed by a change of character because now the price is broken below the latest swing high, and price is close below it, so you have a lower high, lower low, and even if you were somewhere here and you didn't trail your SL, you would need to get out because now the structure has clearly changed. You cannot when this higher low, this is the highest low, right? This is the low basically. You see here price is consolidated, so higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low. As soon as the price broke through this, you had a break of structure, but after this retracement and here, you clearly have a bearish change of character, and you you have to get out, even though you may have not moved your trailing stop loss because it's a clear change of character and the price is likely to go down. You cannot wait till the price goes so low because you would have lost all the gains that you would have made. So if you look at, we've looked at two charts, Tata Motors, right? Zydus Life Sciences. Now let's look at one more, Federal Bank. Again, you have price consolidating here for a bit. Let's zoom in. You have price consolidating for a long time here, and price has finally broken through with huge volumes. Retraced for a bit, and then price is moving on. You have a higher high, higher low. Then you have again break of structure. You have again break of structure on the bull side. Price is retraced a bit. You have a double top here. Price has come down, but it's taken support on the EMA 100. It's gone up again here. So this is a lower high and a lower low compared to this higher low. So when you see that the price has come down here, irrespective of the double top, right? Price has lost steam here. If you look here, you had nice juicy candles here, and then you have price is not able to make a higher high, and this higher high is lower than this. So they are clear indications that the trend is no longer favoring the bulls, at least in the short term. At least in the short term, we don't know how it's going to play out, right? Because if you are looking at somewhere here, we don't know whether it's going to go up or go down. Nobody knows. So what can you do in such a case? You have to clearly identify and see that you don't have a higher high, higher low structure. You have break of structure here, and you have a change of character here itself because this swing low has been broken and price is closed here. It's not an intraday swing. It's not an intraday spike, right? It has closed here. So you have bearish change of character, and even if your trailing stop loss didn't take you out, you would need to get out here because the market is no longer in your favor. Now it's another matter that the market is consolidated and has gone up. Are you willing to wait for such a long time? You're willing to wait from August till December, assuming that you didn't get taken out, right? Makes no sense, right? You have to roll your money again and again if you're a trader. And even if you are a positional trader or investor, once you have your break of structure and change of character, depends. Are you willing to wait unless you're a long term investor and you don't have a stop loss in the system and you're willing to let the price go up to 10-20% of your buying price because you believe in the fundamentals of the company, you believe in the long term future prospects, and you're into reading what's the profit annualized growth rate, the CAGR is positive, the promoters haven't diluted their stake, and you believe in the long term, then it's fine. But I'm talking from a trader's perspective, where you look at basically the entire structure, the higher high, the higher low, the break of structure, and if there is a change of character, then you need to get out because it's no longer favoring you and the trend is no longer your friend. So it's time that you get out. I hope you had a good learning. And you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do so, because it will I provide a lot of value to people who are interested in trading. Forward this to your friends who are serious about trading. And of course, let me reiterate, you can't trade on the basis of YouTube videos alone. You need structured hand holding, mentoring, collaboration with fellow traders. And if you need lifetime membership, then I'm the guy for you. Join me at Let's Make Money Trading Hub. And I wish you happy trading, and I'll see you in the next.